car will run today?
This one?
Ah, yeah. What
the
the
fuck?
man, I don't need to get a mask.
Fuck!
This is what happens when you deal with immigrants.
Success. Hello folks. This is what now, part 3 of this car, and it's still not running. But in this part, it's gonna run. So for those who haven't seen the previous videos, I bought this 1 Series and it had zero compression, couple of cylinders. We thought it was valves, so I removed the cylinder head, inspected the valves, nothing was wrong. Then I found out that the camshaft was broken. I bought another one, put it in, which was also broken, but the car was running. So now I have finally got the good camshaft and we can finally put this thing together and get this car running. Used from the UK. That's how it's looking. Here is the first one I took out from the car. You can see that on the new one all the lobes are straight as they should be. I had everything covered up so rain doesn't get in the engine. What's up? Some oil on the lifters. Make sure all of them are in place. So, just like last time, when you install the camshaft, the lobes on cylinder 1 must point inwards. Let's not forget that. And all the rings must be in place. Now the camshaft lubrication. Now 10 Newton meters on all the bolts, inside out. Done. Guide rail to cylinder head 8. Now I need to put the flywheel into DC. Oh, now. Okay, now, dobra, it's in the hole. So now the flywheel is locked. In that toolbox it's not. It doesn't have 16.
Why?
Because they thought probably, no one used 16 anyway.
And it's on the side where it's not a sensor indicator, you know? Or it should be here one more on both sides. No, only one. It's
Only
always
one. You know what? I can't be bothered with this bolt. You can hold it.
You got knocked out by old pen yesterday, don't talk about me.
Corona, black guy.
Yeah. You think the car will run today?
This one?
Ah, yeah. What
the
the
fuck?
man, I don't...
Actually hit you.
Yeah, my vein, I could have died here.
It's not going great. Just gonna waste your time or you're gonna go to work?
What am I supposed to do? You need to get a mask.
Fuck!
What you do?
We need to do it again.
Why?
Forgot to set the timing for the...
A pierdole ti kurwa poje...
I did the same shit the first time. Okay, so 20 Newton meters. Skapar ni ej fan i veien.
Now I don't remember how it was. It was standing so perfect. God, oh my god. God. My god.
What the... My guy.
Man, shut up. What?
What?
Not that one,
It's literally that one because you didn't give me my honor. Sorry.
This is what happens when you deal with immigrants.
Cause I gon' be cash, you be the rubber man, you be the rules. I'm the reporter, baby, you can be. Ciao. G'day, g'day. I'm gonna remove the flywheel locking pin because I feel like I will forget it if not. Soon, I'm almost at the finish line.
What is it?
Finally.
Very nice.
Sounds good. No lights. Oil pan. Success. The car is running. First proper run in over 3 years.
Mate, don't do that shit.
You know, it's so amazing when like you're doing undercovers and every single bolt is here, not broken, not rusting. Literally, it's like a brand new car. So now I still need to add a little bit of oil. By the way, guys, I'm working outside because there's no place in the garage at the moment. There's so many projects. Also, still add some coolant. Well, now let's start the bleeding process. So the way it is done on this car is you put the key in the ignition and then just hold the gas pedal for 30 seconds. And now after you will hear the water pump working. And if you look inside, there will be coolants. And now while it's doing that, you can undo the bleeding nipples to see if there's air coming out. But it doesn't seem like that. Also here. Now there's coolant coming. And it's raining again. You know what I just found out? The previous owner, when he took apart all the plastics, he put the bolts in a bag. And the bag is for a lifter. You see? The part code is for a lifter for this car. Even though he told me he didn't get the time to do anything on it. So he was full of crap. So this is pure proof that he tried to fix his engine. But he installed the camshafts upside down. And it caused the lifter to break again. That's interesting. Now we need to put it all back together. All the plastics. Damn. Wow, it looks like an engine. Such a nice car. Now some washer fluid. Yeah, put washer fluid in coolant. Now I'm just setting the service lights, because I also changed the oil and everything right now. So since this car is not approved for road use and has been approved in a few years, I need to get it approved before I can use it legally. That's why I wasn't the vehicle register center when I got these 24-hour plates. And today evening I will go to the control station and they will check the car and tell me what I need to fix, if there's anything to fix. It's incredible how dirty and how filthy this thing is. So guys, now since the car is running, I was down to the inspection center. And good news, it passed. So it is officially road legal. And I also picked up the new plates. So first we removed the 24-hour plate, the sticker. Looks good, except for the how dirty it is. What can I say? It's a really nice car. Now this car will be going to my friend Martin's. He's gonna wash it and make it nice again. Give it a full detail and it's gonna look amazing. Now this thing runs perfect. Like everything inside is in such a good condition, no wear and tear, all the plastics is in place, all the undercovers are not broken, it's in such a mint state. It's literally rust free as well. You can see definitely in Norway it's very common for these cars to rust here. You can see there's nothing. So Martins is gonna give a full cleaning and he's gonna film everything and post a video. So if you want to see more of this car, make sure to check out his channel. So now let's see how the car is looking after the cleaning.
It's all a waste of time. I'm sorry that I had to say goodbye. In the end, it was you and I. Now I can't look you in your eyes. This is why I get so high all the damn time to get you off my mind.
Thanks for watching this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. At the moment there's nothing wrong with the car. I've been drying it a bit and there's absolutely nothing that needs to be done. It's a perfect low mileage daily. And see you in the next one.
It was so